I just bought a new rotary tool set. I needed something to do some carving on a hiking stick and whatever else, like tuning up my golf cart and do some designs or just whatever. So let's open this up and see what it got, or what it has. Get a knife. Trying to do this with one hand, yes, and some crappy lighting. Integrated, but it's better in my room. Better lighting in here than my room, that's for sure.
Green. Dark green, light green.
It was on sale. It was $70, but I got it for $33. And I only had to pay $2.30 something cents out of my pocket because I had gift cards. So I used all my gift cards up, and then $2.30 something cents of my own. So technically, I paid $2 for it. Let's open it up now. Oh, nice. Nice. I'm gonna have to start reading what this stuff's for. I don't understand yet, but I will figure it out. Oh, there's some stuff in there. I'll have to figure out drills. Some nice stuff in there. You wanna unpack that for me? I'm gonna have my buddy unpack my fucking Dremel. Oh, look at it. Oh. Smells new. I like new. Very nice, very nice. Maybe we should give it a little demo of hearing it. Very nice. Nice.